If you want to pour coffee into a portafilter like this, when you put it down on a table, it'll tend to rock back and forth. Also, if you were to pour grounds into this right now, you'd find that they're not going to pour evenly because the basket is tilting forward. The portafilter stand solves those two problems simply by being a place where the portafilter can now rest without moving. You'll notice that the basket is now level so that when I want to pour grounds in, the mound will itself be level as well. Another common use of the portafilter stand is to hold the portafilter steady while you put coffee into the portafilter and weigh. And then you put your funnel on top. Next, you'll tap coffee into the portafilter and you can see the weight go up. When you receive your portafilter stand from us, you will also get 2 pieces of double-backed 3M tape, and typically people will glue the 3M tape onto the portafilter stand like so, and then glue the stand itself onto a scale. That makes the whole thing much more stable. Our portafilter stand comes in 2 versions, one which is only for bottomless portafilters, and another which works both with bottomless portafilters and with spouted portafilters. That's what I've got here on my grinder so that I can use either kind. Our stand is made of 3mm thick aluminum, and the reason we chose aluminum is we wanted the absolute lightest weight possible, because the more weight you have on a scale, the less accurate it is. So those are the various ways that you might use our portafilter stand in your daily preparation of espresso.